Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in section orthography. We have to draw a sectional front view along AB, top view and right hand side view. So first we will draw layout. See, observer is watching from here. So length is 80, height is 44 plus 20, 64 and width is 40. So first we will draw layout, front view, top view, side view, and section is along AB. So we'll start with side view, where we can see circle, radius is 20. So I will take 20. See, from here I will take 20 and then I will go down by 20. Then from this point we can draw a circle. Then we'll draw diameter 20, that is radius 10. After that I will draw a vertical line. And then horizontal line. So we are done with side view. Now we need to draw one dotted line over here. So first I will draw axis for the circle. Then height 20 and we'll draw dotted line because that part we can't see. So we are done with side view, right hand side view. Now we'll draw front view. We'll take 16, 16 on both the sides. And from here we'll draw vertical line. From here also we'll draw vertical line. So this way we can draw this U shape in front view. This will be dark, this will be dark. And we need to draw two dotted line for the circle. If you remember LRTB concept, then extreme top and extreme bottom point will give you dotted line over here. Now in top view, we'll project from front view. This entire part will be dark. So for top view, we'll project from front view. And side view, from side view, we'll take these two lines. So those two dotted line we need to draw. So what we will do, we can project from side view, or we can project, or we can draw it directly. So we are projecting from side view. And this is extreme left and right side of the circle. So again we'll have two dotted lines. One is over here and one is here. So we are done with orthographic view of this sum. We have done front view, top view and side view. Now we need to draw sectional front view. So we'll see this line AB and we will draw it in top view. So when you cut like this, how it will appear? See, it is passing through this. So what I'm drawing the 3D figure. If it is cut along AB, how it will appear. So it will appear like this. So what we need to do, we need to divide this. We need to assume that if I divide this into two parts along AB, how it will appear. So this dotted line will become dark, and then we need to do hatching according to the diagram. So I hope everyone understood how to draw sectional front view, top view and right hand side view of this sum. Thank you.